Yeah guys, we're doing the team draw now for 6 boxes of Crown Royal, randoms live 9:02, 13 PM Melbourne time. Dice rolling the participants. We go 4 times. Deadpool 2 has just got a song stuck in my head. It goes, Papa, can you hear me? Papa, can you hear this? Oh my lord, Papa. Papa, can you hear me? Can you build a snowman? Help me build a snowman. No, just don't. 15 now, 5 times. Fight wise before running. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where's Rain? Check that. Random days complete. Let's have a look at the team list. Let's see if Van Houten is going to kill me or not. So 10 spots, I'm telling you. I really hope he doesn't kill me. Let's have a look. Dave Hansen, Magic, Van Houten, Heat, Hornets, Benji Mac, Clippers, Cannon, Bulls, Van Houten, Spurs, Michael Paul, Celtics, Luke Kennett, Lakers, Benji Mac, Nets, Tahi Johnson, Suns, Leah Tua Kings, Tahi Johnson, Pacers, Luke Kennett, Wizards, Van Houten, Rockets, Dave Hansen, Brews, Vance Anderson, Bucks, Dave Hansen, Blazers, Kieran Foley, Jazz, Martin Taylor, Pelicans, Van Houten, Nuggets, Zach Nichols, Cavs, Van Houten, Pistons and Sixers, Benji Mac, Warriors and Raptors, Van Houten, Hawks, Zach Nichols, Mavericks, Charles with Wolves, and Van Houten with Knicks and Thunder. So it looks like Van Houten's going to kill me. Now he needs something to balance it out. Ugh.